walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
It's not RGHV, it's Ranka.
Want you to hold me tight, like you never did. I'm just throwing no prayers. No, it's over with. There's nothing I can say to you. Shawty, I just cut the beat and put some bass in it. When God give you that face, and you can sway with it. Got some critics on the net I would not fade with. Baby, love is something I would never play with. My brother borrow, we like Scotty and Jordan. We hit the drama and it's getting annoying, in fact. Shawty, it's raining and it's pouring. I'm alone, but I still got peace where I'm at. And baby, one day I'll be touring. You keep playing with my heart, don't it get boring, girl? Yeah, that game's so annoying, yeah.
Do you love me or not? I can never tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me or not? Going city to city and in places that you don't know about. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you on games, you tryna play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around.